In this video, we are going to watch about grammar section. 5 marks for examination. NEP. Concept second semester. Fixed for 5 marks. Read the passage on a specific fields for vocabulary building. Read the following passage and enlist the words related to the nature. Thus, nature's amazing cycles of renewal of water and nutrients were defined into non-production the pleasant of the world who provides 72% of food do not produce. Women who are formed do most of the house work do not fit this fedigram growth. Either a living forest does not contribute to growth, but when trees are cut down and sold as a timber, we have growth. Healthy societies and communities do not contribute to growth, but diseases creates growth. List of words related to the nature from given passage: water, nutrients, food, forest, trees, timber, farm, etc.